Are you struggling to get your text view to automatically adjust its size in your Android app? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you think you have the right solution, but it just doesn't work. You found the official documentation for auto-sizing text views, but you're still running into errors. That can be really discouraging. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, "Why is my auto-size text type not being detected in XML?" They provided their XML and Gradle code snippets, but they're still facing issues. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what could be causing this error? It often comes down to missing dependencies or incorrect XML attributes. We'll break it down step by step to help you identify the problem. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will ensure your text view works perfectly every time. To begin resolving the issue with the TextView autoSizeTextType, the user should first ensure that they are using the correct version of the Android support library. The auto-sizing feature requires at least version 26.0 or higher. Next, the user should verify that the autoSizeTextType attribute is correctly defined in the XML layout file. It should be placed within the TextView element, as shown in the example. Additionally, the user should include the necessary attributes for auto-sizing to function properly. This includes setting the auto-size min text size, auto-size max text size, and auto-size step granularity attributes. Finally, the user should sync their project with Gradle files to ensure that all changes are applied. This can be done by clicking on the Sync Now button that appears in Android Studio. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android device was released in 2008? We've come a long way since then, but some issues still feel like they belong in the past. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is that the auto-size text type feature is only available from API level 26. This means if your app targets a lower API level, you won't be able to use this feature. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Always keep your libraries updated. This can prevent many compatibility issues and ensure your app runs smoothly. And there you have it. Your text view should now auto-size correctly. Remember, keeping your dependencies updated is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't miss our next video where we tackle more common Android issues.